Good evening. I'm Debbie Woodbury, your meritologist. For those of you all who do not know, I recently launched my company, Meritology Institute, to help professionals develop their personal goals to become better leaders and professionals in their workforce. It is our desire to help elevate you and take you to the next level of success. We will do this through a variety of workshops, webinars, and special events to really get together, discuss things like etiquette, leadership one-on-one, and all the things that we sometimes get overlooked professionally because we don't know. I come to you with over 20 years of experience in local government, and I am here to help take you to the next level. I encourage you to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and definitely check out our website at www.meritgoals.com. Thank you for following us. We will be posting more content and look forward to helping elevate you to the next level. Take care.